It's time to stop sitting on the sidelines watching other people have fun paddleboarding and jump in with both feet. I'm Gina with WTI, and I've been using this simple to ride, beginner friendly board from QILEBA. So I've been paddleboarding for several seasons, and some things that I like about this board are number one, that it is lightweight. This makes it easy to maneuver in the water and also to carry to shore. When I'm paddleboarding and I want to move quickly through the water, or maybe there's a lot of wind, it's helpful that this board's nose lifts up in the front. That helps me to navigate and be able to go faster. There's a non-slip deck, so when I want to jump up onto my feet or be on my knees, I'm confident that I won't be slipping around even if the deck is wet. This is a great starter board because it comes with a hand pump, that nicely adjustable paddle, and a carrying bag, so I'm ready to hit the water with just this one purchase. And this is a totally budget-friendly price too. So grab this board, get out on the water, and live your best summer life like I am. And that's my point of view.